Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll see a question based on section of solids, section of a cone. Question is, a cone of diameter 75 mm and height 85 mm is resting on the ground on its base. It is sectioned by a plane perpendicular to VP parallel to extreme generator and at a distance of 12 mm from it. Draw the sectional front view and true shape of section. Now, since it's a, first you draw a reference line like this. Since it's a cone, top view will be a circle. Draw a circle of radius 37.5 mm, then divide that into 8 divisions like this at 45 degrees. This line should be always parallel to this line and this diameter should be perpendicular to this reference line. Now name those points as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now project all those points to the reference line like this. Now since height of the object is given 85 mm, from here you mark height of the object 85 mm, name that point as O dash. Draw that all these land lines, generators. Now in this front view, the outermost triangle should be dark and all other lines should be thin lines. Here in the circle, all these 45 degrees lines should be thin, only this outermost circle should be dark. Now it is given that the section plane is parallel to the extreme generator. So this is the extreme generator, O dash, E dash. So parallel to that you want to draw a section plane. And it is at a distance of 12 mm from it is given that section plane is parallel to extreme generator and it at a distance of 12 mm from it. So from here you at perpendicular distance of 12 mm you draw section plane parallel to this line. Parallel to this line you want to draw this line at a distance of 12 mm from here. So use a chain line like this to draw the section plane at a distance of 12 mm from here. Now name those points. Now this section plane meets these lines at some points here. So that is this is 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash here and 4 dash and 5 dash is on the base line, then a 6 dash is here and again 7 dash. So 5 dash, 6 dash and 7 dash are points coming on the other side of the cone, so those points will be invisible. Now you want to draw vertical lines from all these points to the corresponding lines here in top view. So 1 dash is on the line OA, so draw vertical lines to from 1 dash to OA like this. 2 dash and 7 dash, you draw vertical lines from 2 dash and 7 dash to OB and OH. Now 3 dash and 6 dash, you cannot draw a vertical line because it's a straight line like this. So to get the 3 dash and 6 dash, you draw a horizontal line like this to the extreme generator. From here you draw a line like this to this point and draw that line up to this line. From that, this point as radius, you draw 2 arc here and here, or you mark this distance from here to here upwards and downwards. So this is 3 dash and this is 6 dash, or 3 and 6. Now other point will be here 4 and 5. 4 dash and 5 dash is meeting this baseline. So you want to draw vertical lines from 4 dash and 5 dash to the base circle. So this is from here you draw a vertical line like this and up to this base circle here. So this point and another point here. So these are the points. Name those points as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now use a smooth curve to connect that. A freehand curve like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a straight line from 4 to 5 and 5, 6, 7 is another curve. 5, 6, 7, 1 is another curve. So here it's a smooth curve like this and a straight line. Now you want to hatch that. All this space in between these two lines, this inside this curve. So at 45 degrees like this, hatch that space here between this line and this curve completely. Now to get the true shape, you have some points here 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So from all those points you draw vertical perpendicular lines perpendicular to this section plane like this. From here 1, 2, 3 and 4 you draw perpendicular lines like this perpendicular to this section plane. Now you want to draw a line parallel to this section plane like this at keeping some distance from here. At some distance from here you draw a line parallel to this section plane like this. Now distance from here to this distance, from here to here this distance, axis to 1, that distance you mark from here to 1 like this. Distance from here to 2 you mark on the second line here to 2. Distance from here to 7 you mark on the same line distance from here to 7, from distance from here to 3, this distance axis to 3, that distance you mark from here to 3, and the distance from axis to 6 you mark on the same line here to 6, and distance from here to 4, that distance you mark from here to here, and distance from here to 5, that distance you mark from here to here. You will get some 6-7 points. You connect that by using a smooth curve like this, and here it is a straight line. Now, so you got that curve, this is the curve. Connect all those points by using a smooth curve and a straight line here. Now at an angle 45 degrees to this line, you want to hatch it. This line should be thin line. So this is the section top view of the cone, and this is the true shape of section. So hope you understood this, how to draw this. Thank you very much for watching this video.